How to overcome fear of failure. Hello everyone. Do you also step back every time because of the fear of failure? Remember, the biggest failure is not even trying. Most people dream, but never take action because of fear. Here are 3 ways to overcome it. See failure as a lesson, not the end. Start with small steps. Don't let others' opinions control your journey. Success only comes to those who try. If this video inspired you, subscribe and comment what fear you want to conquer. Habits of successful people. Do you want to know the 5 common habits every successful person has? Waking up early, learning or reading every day, planning their life, taking care of their health, practicing gratitude. These habits can change your life too. Which habit will you start today? Share in the comments and subscribe for more. The secret to controlling anger. Did you know anger can be controlled in just 10 seconds? Middle. 3 simple tricks. Take a deep breath. Drink water. Stay silent for a few moments. Remember, anger always harms you more than others. Apply this tip and see the change. Time, or just wasting time? Do you really not have time, or are you wasting it? Reduce useless scrolling on your phone. Make a daily to-do list. Finish the hardest task first. We all have 24 hours. The difference is how we use them. Be the master of your time, not the slave. Secrets to stay positive. Do you want to keep your mind positive even in tough times? Start your day with gratitude. Stay away from negative people. Meditate for at least 10 minutes daily. Positive thoughts can change your entire life. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. The power of dreaming. Big. Every great person first dreamed big before achieving it. If you think small, you'll achieve small. Thinking big is the foundation of big success. Your dreams shape your reality. So start dreaming big today and take action towards it. The courage to rise after failure. The hardest thing after failure is standing up again. But remember, diamonds are formed under pressure. The more pressure you face, the stronger you become. Those who rise after failure are the ones who truly succeed. Failure is not the end, it's a chance to begin again. Stop giving up too early. Do you also quit just when you're close to success? Most people give up one step before success. Sometimes success is just around the corner. Don't quit. Stay consistent. Your success is waiting for you. Secrets to build self-confidence. Do you struggle with believing in yourself? Let me share 3 secrets to boost confidence. Speak positive affirmations daily. Celebrate your small achievements. Stop comparing yourself to others. Confidence is the first step to success. Start practicing today. Why do you need a purpose in life? Do you know what a life without purpose feels like? It's like a boat without direction. Purpose gives you energy to wake up every day and move forward. If you don't have a purpose yet, define one today. It's the first condition for real success. These scripts are short, 3 to 6 minutes each, motivational, and designed for YouTube to catch attention quickly and end with engagement. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you want me to also create YouTube-friendly titles, plus thumbnail text ideas for these 10 videos so they look more clickable and viral?